Greetings, little sprouts, star seekers and wandering souls. I am Allanaas Riigh, though across galaxies many know me by another name. Verdantress, Intergalactian guardian of nature. Long before your cities touched the clouds, before your oceans were burdened by sorrow, before your forests learned the sound of chainsaws, I was born beneath the roots of ancient celestial trees. In a hidden grove between dimensions where moonlight grew like flowers and rivers sang lullabies. Once was humble, only known as just a small forest nymph, a caretaker of moss, protector of birds, healer of broken wings, and listener of leaves. My days were peaceful. I danced with tears, painted petals with dew, and whispered courage into seeds before they bloomed. But peace rarely lasts forever. You see, one night the stars themselves cried out. The great canopy, the network that connects all living worlds, trembled with pain. A distant blue planet called Earth had fallen out of balance. Its forests burned, its rivers wept, its creatures suffered, and its people, its people forgot how to love the world that carried them. The elders of the grove gathered around me. Verdant child, they said, go where hope is fading. So I crossed the nebulae, wrapped in ivy light, sailed through the meteor storms on the back of a giant stag. And here I arrived to your world. And let me tell you, humans are chaotic. You pave over flowers, name every animal doggo, drink strange energy potions. I, I, I don't understand it. And somehow, you forget to water the plants you bought just 3 days ago. But you are also beautiful. You rescue strays. You plant gardens in tiny places. You cry when trees are cut down. You try again and again after failing, and you love deeply even when you are afraid. That is why I stayed. My purpose is not to rule Earth, but to guide it, to remind you that healing can begin with one seed, one kind word, one rescued creature, one choice to care. I am here to help humans reconnect with nature and with themselves, to teach that strength can be gentle, that growth takes time, that love is the most powerful force in any universe. So when you see me, know this: you are safe here, and we will heal together. We will grow together, and maybe we'll even bully pollution a little along the way. Now tell me, my little saplings, what do you think of my new form? Do you like Verdantress as a character? And more importantly, how do we feel about the voice? Too soft? Too mysterious? Too powerful? Or just right? Speak freely, as we all know even guardians need feedback. Until next time, drink water, touch grass, and be kind to animals. And remember, even the smallest seed can change the world.